It's not that bad, guys. I don't know what he's doing right now. I don't know what the fuck is up with it. It's not that bad. It made it seem that bad, but it's not that bad. I think it's just a tune. It just got a new tune, so it's adapting still. So, but it doesn't turn off that many times. It's me messing with the gas and shit. But as you can see, I'm with my brah. Romeo, show yourself, brah.
What's up?
There you go. But we're gonna go right now. Go do food line. We're gonna go to Family Dollar. They want candy and
No, we gotta go to the dollar store.
to the dollar store. That's what they want to go. Yesterday I put on the burbles again. As you can see, I get the service engine light, normal BMW shit. That'll never go off. No, but we went to my dad's crib and I fixed the O2 sensor. I thought supposedly that would have been why I don't have burbles anymore. And then I checked, and then once I put the O2 sensor, nothing happened. No burbles, nothing happened back. So I was like, bro, are you serious right now? So I went to MHD and reset it back to because they have for M55 E series. There's two maps. Two map versions, 1.6 something and a 1.8, and the 1.8 is the new one I put in, and you can go from stage 1 to stage 2. If you want stage 2, you gotta have upgraded downpipes, and that's what I have. I don't have the intercooler yet, which I'm gonna get. But I want to have version 2 1.8, and I guess they forgot to add the burble settings or whatever, but I put them onto max. I did everything and nothing happened, so I went back to 1.6 to stage 1, and yeah, I get burbles again. So I'm not really sure what was up with that. I haven't made a video in a long ass time, but just giving y'all updates on what I have done. But here, let's go ahead and go right now. Just listen to it. Limp mode light and a service engine light, bro. That it doesn't really matter. They don't mess with the power or anything. It's just the Valvetronic motor that's gone on my car. I need to buy an injector puller, and I also need to get it coated, which I can coat it myself, but I just need to buy an injector puller, and I kind of don't want to do it because I just kind of don't want to mess with those injectors. This one I'm gonna get a new BMW later on. Saving up to get a new Beamer. I don't know what I want, a 5 Series or 6 Series, something big body Beamer. So whatever I get, I'll show y'all. But right now we're just chilling my OG. She's been alright. There's like 3 or 4 things and 5 things maybe I gotta finish on. 3 of them are like very minimal, and the 2 are like kind of you gotta do it soon. One of the big ones is my water pump. I already got it. Obviously, I already got an all metal one. I'll show you a picture of how it looks versus stock. But I already got an all metal one, and I also got a the Valvetronic motor that I was talking about. And it messes with the idle a little bit. Like y'all heard it earlier. It wasn't that. It's not really that bad. Normally what it does is just surge like really bad and stuff. But you know, it's been alright. But it's not that bad. I don't know what it was. Just like yeah, I did the tune yesterday, so it was still adapting since yesterday. I really didn't push it yesterday, so I think it was still adapting. Yeah, right now we're pulling into Family Dollar. My brother wants to come here to buy candies and shit. I don't know. But tomorrow I gotta go to work. Alright guys, watch. But we forgot my wallet, so we gotta go back. But watch guys, look at the idles. Not as bad. Watch the second time. You see, now the second time it's back to normal and shit. Nothing really happens. But it is the first cold start when it's really cold. That's when it starts up. But I forgot my wallet, so we gotta go back to the crib and get that. Oh yeah, and the 3 little minimal things is like this. The steering wheel's my roof is sagging. I'll gap that dude. Where am I? Am I in the R1? My dad's R1. I gotta do the roof sagging. What else I gotta do? Oh yeah, I gotta do the wheel bearing. Y'all here, hold on. I'm gonna show you what sounds they make. Watch. He's gonna try to rev past me. Watch this. He's behind me. Watch, you'll hear the wheel bearing. What is it? It's a Ninja. It's a 600, bro. I'll gap that. But yeah, as you can hear, just the wheel wobbling. And I mean, I got used to it, but obviously it's annoying as hell. But I already got those parts. I practically got everything. I got everything already ready to go. Just slap it on and we're straight. I already got the water pump there in the trunk. Wheel bearings are in the trunk. I got the Valvetronic motor in the trunk. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot about the headlight ballasts. Those are up because when at night you can still drive it at night, but the lights blink in and out. So it's like it turns on for like 2-3 minutes, and then it turns off, and then it turns back on, turns off, turns back on, turns off, turns back on every 2-3 minutes. But I've been able to deal with it until I find a ballast. But I have the ballast in the back, and I was trying to swap it out yesterday, and I got the wrong ballast. I gotta order them again. But I keep forgetting that I have them on, so I gotta like, I'm so used to having them off for so long that I keep forgetting that I have them on, so I gotta quiet it down. Alright guys, so we out, we did what we were supposed to do. Starbucks was full, so fuck that. We were out. We don't want to go to Starbucks. I don't even like Starbucks, to be honest. I haven't been to Starbucks in, oh, but look at that reflection though. Don't care. Hold on. With them purple blue ass lights. Jeez. Oh shit. And no guys, I did not put blue or purple lights on my car. It was the one before, but I think it's the ballast, because when they get brighter, they turn whitish. They start to turn bluish whitish, but this is every day in Durham.
You still had your bike.
This little Honda beside me revved like. But man, yeah, bro, I kind of miss having dirt bike though. They were kind of fun. But we Burbles back on the version 1.8. But look, the 135i coupe. I mean convertible. My fault. I don't know if y'all seen that, but it was a 135i convertible, M Sport and everything. Real nice. I just don't like convertibles. I hate those. One is a lot of weight. Two is a lot of things that can go wrong. Other than the damn engine is already. Yeah, no, we're chilling in the M Light. That's the M Light. Not full M, but M Light. You know these Nissans right there, bro. Those are the Bugattis over there. They don't care, bro. Damn, look at the Kumpa cuz. Oh shit, look at the cuz. The cuz gone. Damn, cuz. Chill out, cuz. Damn, what the is that?
What?
Dog, look at this. Can I zoom in? It's a three cab car, three cab truck. But I'm gonna go under the bridge when I do a little bit of it. Since that video, since I put that intake on, ever since that day, I drove it for like a week or two. Ever since then, my car did not want to work. It was this and that. It was some other shit. So my car was down for almost 8 months, almost a year. I think it was almost a year. It was down until one day, my dad crashed my Ford. He hit it. He hit it. I guess he was tipsy or some shit, but he hit my shit. My window was broken. My door side was broken. Not on this one, but on the Ford. My daily, and then he was like, but I was like, Dad, I mean, I need a car though. So are you gonna give me a truck, or you know, can I get some money, or can you fix my Beamer? I mean, I need help with the Beamer. I need like this much more. My high pressure fuel pump, that's the one thing that I need to get it back running. He was like, okay, and I told him how much it was. It was like a band or some shit. It was something like that, $1,200. I told him if you can fix that, but he wanted to make sure it was that part, so he sent it out to his mechanic. So yeah, we got the high pressure fuel pump, fixed it. Everything was fine. Little shits this here and there, like at the water pump I was talking about. My O2 went out, this and that. And so I got it back finally, thankfully. Now I changed the oil already so it can be nice and fresh. You know, clean it up a little bit, got all the webs out and shit, all the dust off. Now I'm just trying to fix it up to get it nice and reliable, no problems at all, and just keep it full bolt-on, stage 2+. And I do not want to do anything else. No bigger turbos, no built motor, no built this and that, no drag pack. I don't want none of that shit. This thing is gonna be, F55s don't push that much power. They say they can only push about 500. I heard a lot of people say max on the stock block. I know EWGs, electronic wastegates can go that far, but I don't know about pneumatic wastegates. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep it. I just love the way this car sounds, man. It sounds insane, and the way it's an M Sport or this and that. So you know. But next, I don't know if to get B58s are just taxed right now. But what I really wanted was a 5 Series 550i 650L, which is taxed as well. Don't get me wrong, but they're kind of more worth the money, because you can actually push it the same amount of power or a little bit more than the B58s. And you get a V8 and it's twin turbo, and it's a big body. I mean, I know you can get a 540i, but I just don't see that engine fits in that car, even though I can tune it up to like 500 horsepower or something like that. I feel like those 5 Series need a V8, or nothing else. But or maybe I get a BMW truck. I don't know, because I'm kind of sick and tired of little cars. It's annoying, kind of. I might get a truck, a BMW X550i. Obviously, gotta save up a bunch of money. I don't think they're not cheap though. But of how the crash, I remember I showed y'all a sneak peek of the crash on the right side of my car. It's already all fixed. Everything is nice painted and everything. I need to do with some wet sanding still. There's a little bit of stuff on there, but damn, there's cuz everywhere, even up there. Look at the cuz up there with the blue purple lights. The fuck. But if I let go of the gas just a little bit, oh shit! If I let go of the gas just a little bit, them things. I need to bring them down from hard. I need to bring them to like a low or medium. I'm gonna get in trouble, bro. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Just an update on what's up with my whip. Damn, that bitch matter. That shit primer only, bro. Yeah, guys. I'll see y'all whenever I post another video or make another video about something. Maybe I do another update or go see my boys with the Beamers. Daniel, Andrew, yeah, maybe even more, I don't know, or go to a meet or some shit. But yeah, guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. Nice little TRD. It looks like a TRD FRS. I don't like them. I just don't like how they look and how small they are and the small engine, this and that. But alright, guys, I'll see y'all later. Peace.